Welcome back to my channel, the DDM-Way.
Have you ever pondered how the tenets of Islam could intertwine with a sustainable economy? Today we dive deeper into this topic with a special focus on a global and Indonesian perspective. Islam's core values of equilibrium, fairness, and accountability can offer a distinct perspective for comprehending and tackling the universal challenge of attaining economic sustainability. The world's growing focus on climate change, pioneering strategies like cap and trade become vital. Let's investigate the notion of cap trade or carbon trading and understand its potential to contribute to a sustainable economy, from a worldwide and specifically an Indonesian viewpoint. Cap and trade, or as it's also known, carbon trading, is a key tool in environmental policy designed to manage the emissions of harmful gases. So what exactly does it entail? Let's delve into it. Initially, a cap is placed on the amount of certain types of greenhouse gases that a company can emit. This cap is systematically lowered over time, with the aim to reduce the volume of pollutants released into our atmosphere. Subsequently, companies receive permits that dictate the quantity of these gases they are allowed to emit. For instance, one permit permits a company to emit 1 ton of carbon dioxide, is the primary greenhouse gas. Here's where the trade aspect comes into play. Companies who manage to reduce their emissions below their assigned cap are able to sell their spare permits to companies that are having difficulty remaining below their own cap. This setup provides a financial motivation for companies to lower their emissions. But how does this fit into Islamic principles? Within Islam, we are taught the principle of khilafah, which calls us to be guardians of the earth. This means we have a duty to protect the environment and prevent harm. The cap and trade system encourages corporations to take responsibility for their emissions, aligning with the Islamic principle of stewardship. By setting a cap on emissions, facilitating a way for companies to regulate their carbon footprint, and providing rewards for those who do so effectively, cap and trade serves not only as a means to reduce harmful emissions, but also as a promoter of responsible business practices. To summarize our exploration today, we've delved into the intriguing link between Islamic principles and the concept of a sustainable economy. The core ideals of Islam, such as fairness, equilibrium, and accountability, dovetail impeccably with a sustainable economic framework. We delved deeper into the concept of cap and trade or carbon trading, a system that aligns with Islamic values by encouraging responsibility and stewardship of our surroundings. This concept sets a limit on the emission of certain greenhouse gases, offering carbon credits as an incentive for emission reduction. By grasping and employing these principles, we can all play a part in fostering a more sustainable, balanced economy. Thank you for your attention, and let's not forget, even the smallest steps can lead to a brighter future. Indonesia has been making waves in the realm of carbon trading. As the world's largest archipelago with its vast forests and biodiversity, the country holds a key role in the global climate change battle. This narrative offers an insight into Indonesia's carbon market journey. Since the inception of the carbon trading concept, Indonesia has been an active participant, reflecting a dedicated commitment to curb its carbon emissions. The government has executed several strategies, including the promotion of renewable energy and forest preservation. However, the journey to sustainability isn't challenge-free. Despite significant progress, obstacles like deforestation and peatland fires, which contribute to the country's carbon emissions, persist. Nevertheless, Indonesia remains undeterred, continuously seeking to adapt and innovate. The nation's involvement in the carbon market sets a precedent for other developing countries and reaffirms a global truth. Every one of us has a part in safeguarding our planet. In the upcoming section, we shall explore in detail the solutions and initiatives Indonesia has employed to surmount these hurdles and boost its carbon trading progression. So stay tuned.